In this video, I will guide you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva from scratch. So first off, we need to see what the dimensions for a YouTube banner should be. We gotta go to our YouTube account, just click on your profile, then we select the YouTube Studio. Here we want to navigate to customization, branding, and here is where we can see the banner dimensions. So the minimum required dimensions are 2048 by 1152. I'm just going to copy this and go straight into Canva. So from Canva, I want to select a presentation. Now, before I continue any further, I need to resize this. So I'm just going to exit out of this previous page and I'm going to go to Resize. I have a video on how you can get Canva Pro for free. So if you want to go to my channel, you can do this for completely free as well. So the dimensions are 2048 by 1152. I already tested this. So I have this recent page. If you want to write it out yourself, you want to go 2048 by 1152 pixels. Then you just select Resize. Now, how can we, first off, you want a background for your banner. Now, Canva has some options. If we search background here, as you can see, you get some options, rather in elements, I'm sorry. Here's where you need to search background. So as you can see, we get some options. Let's say I like this one. I just drag and drop it. And in order to make it match the settings or the pixels which I have put, you want to hold Shift or Control and just resize it like that. Now that looks good. I think this is solid. But another thing which you can do is just go to Google and you just search aesthetic background and whatever color you like. Now YouTube most of the time will not get you copyrighted for Google Images and just using them in your background. So let's say you like this, you just right click, copy, then you go back to your Canva document and you press Ctrl+V, and as you can see, it is added to our document. So again, just holding Shift or Control and just stretching it out. Now you need a higher resolution image so it doesn't get so pixelated. But in general, I will show you with the preset backgrounds. As you can see, it located something similar to this, to what we had copied. So if we want to use it like that, and we can just make this as our YouTube banners base. But like I said, I'm going to use this blue brush background. Alright, so you have your base for your background. Now, this banner is going to be displayed on TVs, on tablets, on phones, and on PC. Any device you can think of. And a different part is going to be displayed. I'm going to show you what I mean in a second here. Actually, I'm going to show you right now. So this is a test which I did before. As you can see, when we try to upload it, we see this option, or we see this viewable on TV, viewable on desktop, and on all devices. So basically with this current resolution, which we have set 2048 by 1152, at the very center is where you should write your text and put all of your images. So this is just going to be viewable. All of this is going to be viewable on TV, while this is going to be viewable on desktop, aka laptops and PCs, and this is for phones and tablets and mobile devices. So most people will be searching for your things either on PC or on mobile devices. So this is what you want to focus on. Alright, so we need to put our graphics in the middle. So let's say somewhere around here. How can we do that? So you want to create some or add some elements. Let's say I want a clock, for example. Okay, with the Pro version, you get a wide selection of clocks. Now remember that we don't have much wiggle room right here. We want to make this symbol a little bit smaller, like that. Okay, so this is one element which I will add to my YouTube banner. Now, another element which we can add is, let's see if there's any brush effects or brushes. Okay, like that. See, this is exactly what I wanted, actually. Canva has this very nice feature of just lining things up. So the top of this symbol matches the top of this brush, if we align it like that, or the center matches the center. So this is the brush effect which I want to add next to my clock. Okay, so this looks nice, but usually you want to add some text as well. Tell people what your YouTube banner is about, what they can expect to see on your channel, what you will be providing them, essentially. So we want to go to text, and you can select some of these already pre-made fonts. Okay, so Halloween is happening soon in a month, so let's go a little bit thematic and just drag and drop this preset. Now this is absolutely huge, so you want to shrink it. Just go to the corner, shrink it as much as you can, and try to fit it here. All right, now that's still kind of big, so what I'm gonna do is just highlight all of it and make it about 70. All right, so using this font, now I can drag and drop it wherever I like, but I want to write my own name. So my channel is Net Help, write a little dash, and I'm going to type tutorials. So just make sure this fits. It's a little bit too big, so I'm just gonna drag it from the right corner and I'm going to drop it here. All right, so you can basically get super creative and do whatever you like. Just create some sort of, put your personality into this YouTube banner, okay? This is the whole idea. So get creative, make whatever you want, just make sure this is in the very center. The main part of your banner is in the center, so it can be displayed. Now, how can we save? And so essentially now we have to do a trial and error process. See if we actually got the center. So how can we save this banner? Now all you want to do is click on share, then you select download, this size, and you just press this purple download button. It is going to go to your downloads folder. All right, so now after we've downloaded it, we don't want to close out of this page because we might need to make some adjustments. We go to channel customization again and we click upload. From here, we want to go to downloads and see wherever it was saved. And this matches almost perfectly. As you can see, it is damn near perfect. What I'm going to do is just adjust this left corner. Just gonna drop it so it fits a little bit better in the center. Okay, now this looks almost perfect, and I am just going to click on done. But before that, I just want to remind you, this whole area is viewable on TV. This is the PC, what they can see, and this is on all mobile devices. So just click done. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like. It gives you a preview, laptop, TV, and the mobile phone. Now this tutorial is recorded on PC, so if we just click publish, let's see how this looks. It's going to take a second to publish, and now we click go to channel. And as you can see, this is a very basic tutorial on how you can make a YouTube banner. If you found it useful, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you fellas next time. Take care. Bye bye.